This is our old air conditioning system. We had to get a new one today because it broke yesterday. But the awesome part is that is the box for our new one. The size comparison is extremely entertaining. I'll show you the new one. That's the old little system. And there's our humongous new one. It's huge! I wonder if it's going to be really loud. It's crazy how much bigger it is. And I'll show you the systems too. I don't know what you actually call them, but I don't know if that's all of the old one or just part of it, because it's awfully tiny compared to this huge new thing in the corner here. Starts there and goes all the way up. I have no idea if that's how big it was to begin with. I don't think so. Pretty awesome. It just needs to start working out because we're really hot.